I think the dog was already digging on it. So now we'll see if we can clean this mess. Thank you. I'll take care of it. Thank you. Thank you. I just hired a guy for $100. No, it's free. Everything. No, it's gone. It's like magic. take a breath, take a break first. Take a breath, take a break. Have a candy. Wait, where's my candy? I'm gonna grab my candy. Oh wait. Oh, I got a candy here. Max. What's going on? The rest of the garbage can be cleaned by hand. You see the normal garbage bin. Shit, I still need to throw that away. Throw that away. So it's raining again. They said it's gonna rain for a week. So my project is ready. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy the scenery here, the patio. I'll be planting some radish, some arugula, radish. What else? Beets. I think these beets are good. So my massive planters are ready, and it's raining. They said it's gonna hail again, so we'll see. And my tomatoes in the back here, they already have fruits. So that's it. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel or sign up on my link. Paldo tayo nito. If you see that link, paldo tayo nito, click that. Have a nice day. Next project would be Sandayong. I think we need to capture this rain. Sandayong. We need some Sandayong here, folks. I think I can do it. I think I can capture the rain. Put it here on the side, the water, so I can water the plants.